Welcome to all. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Gupta, Assistant Professor at College of Agriculture Engineering, JNKVB, Jabalpur. And from today onwards, we are dealing with the course that is named as the food packaging. So before we start this course, let us go through the course curriculum which is subscribed for this particular course. This is our lecture plan. The first lecture will be dedicated to factors affecting the shelf life of the food materials during storage, interaction of spoilage agents with environmental factors as water, oxygen, light, pH, etc., and general principles of control of spoiling agents. So particularly in the first lecture, we shall be dealing with the factors that will be effective in determining the useful life of the food products. Then we will come to the difference between the food infection, food intoxication, and allergy. The third lecture will be dedicated to the packaging of the foods. What are the requirements from the food package and what are the importances and the scope of food packaging. In fourth lecture, the framework for packaging strategies and environmental considerations will be discussed. Fifth lecture will be dedicated to different kind of packaging system. What are their types? What are the flexible and rigid packaging, retail and bulk packaging? Sixth one is level of packaging. Seventh lecture will be dedicated to spatial solutions and packaging machines. Eighth lecture will be discussing the technical packaging system and data management. Ninth lecture will be on the packaging system, different type of packaging materials, their key properties and application. The 10th lecture will be dedicated to metal canes, manufacturing of 2-piece and 3-piece metal canes. Lecture number 11 will be on the plastic packaging, different type of polymers used in food packaging and their barrier properties. 12th lecture will be on the manufacturing of plastic packaging materials, profile extrusion, blow film sheet extrusion, blow molding, extrusion blow molding, injection blow molding, and stretch blow molding and injection molding. The 13th lecture will be on the glass containers, type of glasses used in food packaging, manufacturer of glass and glass containers, closures for the glass containers. Lecture number 14 will be on paper and paperboard packaging, papers and paperboard manufacturing process. 15th will be on the modification of barrier properties and characteristics of the paper and paperboard. Lecture number 16 will be on relative advantages and disadvantages of different packaging materials. 17th will be on the effect of these materials on packaging commodities. 18th will be the nutritional labeling on package, controlled atmospheric storage, and modified atmospheric packaging. 19th will be on shrink and clinch packaging. 20th will be on the gas and vacuum packaging. 21st will be on the active packaging and smart packaging. 22 will be on the packaging requirement of raw and processed food and their selection of packaging materials. 23rd lecture will be factors affecting the choice of the packaging material. And 24th will be on the disposal and recycle of packaging waste. 25th will be on the printing and labeling. 26th will be on lamination. 27th will be the package testing methods for flexible material, rigid materials, and semi-rigid materials. 28th lecture will be on test of papers, thickness, bursting strength, breaking strength, stiffness, tear strength, folding endurance, ply bond test, surface oil absorption test, etc. 29th will be on the test of plastic packaging and laminates, thickness, tensile strength, gloss, haze, burning test to identify the polymer, etc. 30th will be the test of aluminum foils, thickness and pinholes. 31st lecture will be on the test of glass containers, visual defects, color, dimensions, impact and strength, etc. 32nd lecture will be on the test of metal container, pressure test, product compatibility, etc. So that way we will be covering the entire course content according to the given lecture plan. So from the next time onwards, we will be dealing with the lecture number 1, that is the factors affecting the shelf life of the food materials during storage and interaction of spoilage agent with environmental factors such as water, oxygen, light, pH, etc. and the general principles of the control of spoilage agents. So that way the entire course on uh, the food packaging will be covered according to the lecture plan given below. Thank you.